Welcome back to my channel, Frugal with John. Today we're going to be fixing my MOEN faucet kitchen sink. It's over a period of time, it's gotten stiffer and stiffer, and you got to push it really hard to shut it off. And sometimes you forget, and it's got a steady stream of water coming out of it. So it's a MOEN. Inside there's a cartridge which has a lifetime warranty. So I'll take the cartridge out. I'll bring it into Home Depot and find the replacement for it and bring it back and install it, and it should be working fine again. Anyway, before I start, I got to shut the water off to this. And under the cabinet, I put 2 shutoffs in this already. So, which makes it easy. 1 shut off here, cold water, hot water. Okay. Okay, so the water's off. And on this particular model, this one has a handle that does come out. There's an Allen key in there, and it's okay. The water's off. Inside here, there should be a piece of rubber that's got hot on this side, cold on this side. Along the way, we've lost it, so I don't know if I can replace it or not. So you take the Allen key in there, you take it out. Now, what I did, so I don't lose anything, I put stoppers in the drain just in case something falls out. I don't want it going down the drain, then have to take the drain apart. There's a screw. That should come off. Let's get something to set that on. Then this should unscrew here. It's been a while since I did this. Okay, there's another screw up here, which should be this one. That comes out. Okay. Next thing you take off would be this top piece. I just use an adjustable. You can also use these, but adjustable doesn't actually put pressure on it. And there's a spring clip inside here. I'll take that out, which is right here. I'll leave it in there so it doesn't get lost. Should I say a spring washer, not a clip. Okay, so we put that over there. And there should be a clip in here. Not necessary to take that off, but oh, there it is. This clip comes out. And the next, I gotta see if I can find a tool that would go around this. It's little plastic things. It comes in a kit, but the problem is, to bring this in for warranty, I got to take the old one in first. So I can't go down and pick up the new replacement without bringing the old one in for replacement. And when you get the new one, it comes with a little thing that goes on top of here that you can move it around to loosen it up, to bring it up. So I'll try something to move it around to start with. Okay, I can't seem to find the tool when I did this last time, so I'm going to try just a pair of needle nose, long needle nose. What tool does, it just goes in here and allows you to turn it back and forth a few times just to loosen it up. And after it's loosened up, then you can pull it out. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay. This is a part that's on warranty. This is a part that got all seized up and leaking a bit. So I'll take that in, they'll replace it, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to put it back together. So I'm going to Home Depot, because Home Depot sells MOET, or a MOET dealer. Yeah, this is really, really tight. Okay, so I'll be back shortly with the new pieces. I went to Home Depot, picked up the new part, and I explained to you the tool we use. It's in the new part. Now, I talked to the guy there, and he said the easiest way to do it, that way you get the part and the tool, is MOET has a 1-800 number, 188, whatever number it is. You give that number a call. You can send them a picture or the model number of your faucet. If you don't have the model number, can't find it, you give them a picture of the faucet. They'll find which one, and they will mail you free of charge the new part, which makes it simple because you also get the removal tool at the same time. Anyway, I'll put a couple links in the description for different MOET faucets. I like them. Anything I change now in the house, I switch over to MOET. Simple fact is, stuff like this, the warranty is really good. And I was also doing a video in the washroom. That's not a MOET. I had to actually pay for the parts. So if it would have been a MOET, I would have got my parts for free. I would have done the work or had somebody come in and do it. Anyway, we'll get back to doing this. I'll get this out of the way. The tool I was talking about is this. It goes in, you put it in here. It basically fits in here as you push down, and you're able to twist it back and forth to loosen it up, because sometimes these get really, really stuck. Anyway, we'll get this in. Okay, and then the clip's got to go in, but the tool essentially would go right here. So it gives you the ability to twist it back and forth to loosen it up to get it out. And I got to get that clip in there, so actually go over here. Once you get it lined up, put the clip in so it doesn't turn. Okay, you get the clip. What the clip does is stop it from turning the cylinder so you can get your hot and cold. If you didn't put the clip in, you turn it, and then it would just turn the whole cylinder. You get nothing. Okay, so we go from that, and you put it back in reverse order, which would be this next. Make sure the spring washer is in there. I cleaned it up off camera. Doesn't have to be that tight. I'm just going to snug it up, but not tight at all. It's plastic. You go too tight, you're just going to break it. And from there, the next piece, don't forget this washer. It's got flat edges. It goes on there. This piece goes on with the higher part facing the front. Then this piece here, make sure the screw's there, it comes out. That's why I block both sinks, so in case it falls out, I don't lose it. Actually fits over. And this piece gets screwed on. Let's see if it's going on right. Hang on. And that goes on, and then last the handle will go on. Now the screw for the handle, which is then the last piece, the handle, and this screw goes through here and into here. There we go. Just make sure you don't cross any of these threads when you're putting them in. Now there's better Allen keys than this, but it's kind of a universal tool. Has all the different sizes. Okay, I'll have to turn the water back on and check it.
Okay, go.
Okay, after you install everything, you got to turn the water back on and test it. And hopefully it all works. Okay, back under here. Yeah, water's back on, no leaks under there. Oh, works much nicer. So, hot, cold, and it works nice and easy. Just before you had to just push it down. It's a MOEN faucet. It's got a lifetime warranty. I'll put a few links in the description for different faucets. Like I say, I've been changing everything in the house to MOEN. Anything I buy new, anything I buy for a customer, it's always a MOEN. Because like I say, once you put it in, it's lifetime warranty. Anyway, if you like the channel, thumbs up, would appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now.